Hello everyone. In this video, what we will be doing is we will be adding shear webs and assigning materials to the shear webs. To get started, select one of the stations and click Modify, and we will be using the shear webs panel. Okay. So go ahead and under Number, click Add Shear Webs, and notice how it has a box right here which represents the shear web. Okay. Now you can choose the material. These are all composites that you can choose. In our case, we'll just choose example composite. The station represents the station between the two airfoils. So in my case, it's the station 2 right here, and this is station 3. Now the upper and lower division points. So what this means is that it's connecting the upper division point between the two stations. So in this case, it's saying the third division point. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, because it goes clockwise, right? So 1, 2, 3. The third division point on the second station is connected to the third division point of the third station. Likewise, for the lower division point, it's also connecting to the second division point of station 2 and the second division point of station 3. Now, once you are done with the materials and connecting with these, again, just for visualization purposes, I can change this and notice how it just switches over, right? But I'll just switch back. But once you're done, go ahead and click Done. And that is how you add shear webs.